Welcome to Wealth Up, a channel about personal finance and building wealth. Home warranties can save you thousands or leave you feeling like you wasted money. Home warranties are different to home insurance. A home warranty covers appliances and systems in your home. The way they work is you pay a yearly premium or sometimes monthly premiums, and they provide you the warranty. As the warranty provider, they protect appliances like microwaves, dishwashers, refrigerators, HVAC systems, and they cover systems like plumbing, ductwork, and heating systems. The coverage varies depending on the home warranty. Be sure to read the details on any plan you are interested in. Note that you may get a home warranty when you purchase a new home. It may be offered by the homeowner, or you can request it in the negotiation from the homeowner. The home warranty has a network of contractors that they rely on to service your home, and the network that they have built helps them keep their costs down. If you are a new homeowner and don't know who to call for a repair, having the home warranty will help with this because you won't have to worry about finding a reliable contractor. However, if you have a specific contractor that you would like to use and they are not on the home warranty's approved list, you will not be able to use them. This can be a major drawback. When you have an issue, you call up the home warranty and they will send someone out to service the issue. There is typically a fee that will range between $75 and $100. The contractor reviews the issue and repairs or replaces the equipment based on the need. In a scenario where you require more than one contractor to come out, you frequently have to pay the fee for both. Also, note that they may do some repairs that will hold over for some time, but will eventually need to be replaced. The appeal for home warranties is that the cost is relatively inexpensive compared to the repair or replacement of major issues. Home warranty cost ranges between $300 and $600 per year. For years where you use a home warranty, you may get your money's worth. For years where you don't use it, it may feel like it's a waste. However, there is peace of mind that comes from having the coverage. When I purchased my first rental property in 2017, the sellers provided me with a 1-year contract with a home warranty. The HVAC system was over 20 years old when I purchased the home, and I knew that it was nearing its end of life. For this reason, I renewed the home warranty in 2018. During this year, the heating portion of the HVAC system failed and I got it replaced for $75. This would have been a $2,500 repair. At this time, the only issue was the heating portion, and the cooling side did not need any repairs, but they warned me that it was on its last leg. There was also a small leak on an outdoor spout that needed to be replaced. This was also in 2018. This cost me $75 to have a plumber come out and fix the issue. This would have been a $300 repair. In 2018, having the home warranty saved me almost $3,000 between the two repairs. Because of the upcoming issues with the cooling side of the HVAC system, I decided to renew the contract in 2019. This was a wise decision because the AC failed in the middle of the summer. This time, once again, the fee was $75 to have the contractor come out and service the unit. After they came out, they made some repairs to keep the unit running and requested a replacement. Because it was in the middle of the summer, inventory was low and it took a few weeks to restock. After the unit was restocked, they came back and installed it. Because the old unit was so old, it required additional work to get the electrical set up properly. As such, I had to cover some expenses not covered by the warranty. Ultimately, the repair cost about $800. Although this was more than just the initial fee, it is much lower than the cost of replacing the equipment. This would have cost me upwards of $5,000 without the warranty. Having the warranty saved me once again thousands of dollars. I decided to not renew the service when it expired in 2020. I don't expect any large expenses for a while and didn't want to pay the yearly premiums. Instead, I am saving this money and building up a budget to cover future expenses. Although the home warranty did save me thousands of dollars, there are some cons to having the warranty. The first is that for some repairs, there are parts that won't be covered by the warranty, and there may be added expenses that you will have to cover. Second, depending on where you live, you may have a limited list of options of contractors. My house, in the example, is outside of a major city, and finding contractors to drive outside of the city can be more of a struggle than you would think. With the AC issues, there was only one contractor available that would come out to do the service. I did not have any options, and finding an open appointment was challenging. Having the freedom to work with a local contractor would have been more timely, but they were not on the approved list and I was not able to use them. Third thing to consider is that you don't get to provide input on the new equipment. When replacing the equipment, the home warranty will provide a similar product, but I did not have control over the specs or the manufacturer of the equipment. At the end of the day, it is important to weigh out your options and determine if a home warranty is worth it in your situation. If you have old appliances or old equipment that is expensive to fix or replace, it may be worth it. If you want to have control over the contract, equipment specs, this may not be a good fit, and it may be best to build up a maintenance fund to cover future expenses. If you have found this video useful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to see upcoming videos. If you want to see regular content, you could add me on Instagram at wealth_up. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.